In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a PDF into ManyChat. First, let's start by heading over to the ManyChat application on your device. For those who are new here, ManyChat is a powerful tool that helps automate communication with your audience, particularly through platforms like Facebook Messenger. So having your PDF available through ManyChat can be a great way to share resources or promotional material directly with those who are engaging with your chatbot. Once you are on the ManyChat dashboard, direct your attention to the left-hand menu panel. Here, you'll want to click on the Automation tab. Automation is an incredibly versatile feature that allows you to create flows, sequences, and broadcasts that can maximize your reach and engagement with the audience. Clicking on this tab brings you into an important area where most of your interaction planning happens, including where you will integrate your PDF. Inside the Automation section, you will see a list of previously created automations. If you haven't created one yet, simply start a new one. However, for this tutorial, click on one of your existing automations. This step is crucial as you will be adding the PDF to distribute through this specific automation flow. Once you're inside your chosen automation, look for a small plus sign. Clicking on this initiates the process to add a new action or input to your automation sequence. Selecting this will activate a mini menu, which is essentially the hub for adding a variety of widgets to your sequence. Next, from this mini menu, navigate over to the Messenger option. This is critical as you want your PDF to be shared directly with users through the Messenger platform. By selecting Messenger, you are aligning all subsequent actions with this specific channel. After successfully selecting the Messenger option, proceed to click on the menu button labeled More. This button reveals additional actions and features that you can incorporate into your flow. It's often overlooked by ManyChat beginners, but it really unlocks some powerful functionalities. Following this, click on File. This will lead you to a window where you can input files that you want available directly in the chat. It's now time to upload your PDF. In this last step, you'll have the opportunity to input your PDF file. Simply click in the designated area or drag and drop your PDF directly into the provided box. Ensure your file is correctly uploaded by previewing it if possible. This PDF can now be shared seamlessly through the automation flow whenever it is invoked in the chat interaction. And there you have it. You've just successfully integrated a PDF into your ManyChat automation. This simple yet effective technique enables you to effectively distribute content, keeping your audience engaged with valuable resources. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure to join us for more helpful tutorials.